All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Shman J. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you the purple iPhone here. This is the iPhone 12 mini, 256 gig, unlocked from Apple. She wanted this, so she got it. And she also cracked the screen on her Apple Watch 6, I think it is, or whatever, 5. So we got a new Apple Watch. But this video is just about the purple iPhone. So she has nearly every iPhone, but I wanted to go ahead and show you this one. I actually wanted to see what the color looked like in person too. Oh, that looks pretty good. That looks good. This is just a quick video to show you the color. And I'll let her set up her own phone or whatever, but looks pretty good. It looks different over this camera. It almost looks blue in some angles, but at the naked eye, it's definitely purple. So I just wanted to show you that this phone was here. The 12, I might pick me up a 12, the middle of the 12 purple. Because I got rid of my white 12 reluctantly, and I still have the 12 Pro Max, and she has a 512 white 12 Pro Max. But here's the white iPhone mini, if you're wondering. Here's the white iPhone mini, if you're wondering, what they look like next to each other. Just want to do a quick unboxing to show you here. These are all her phones, but the purple actually does look kind of cool. I just wish that Apple would do things all at once. We all wish that, but they're not going to do it, man. Yeah, so I'm going to get this charged up for her, and she'll come home to a nice surprise. New Apple Watch, new phone, and she's going to be still well taken care of. The graphite, it would have been nice if they'd have made a graphite in the 12, but they saved that for these more the higher priced ones, if I would be so kind to say. But yeah, here it is next to the white mini. She's got some little blingy camera things on the top of there. She'll probably put some on here too. I think she ordered a tempered glass and everything already too. Yeah, but she cracked her Apple Watch, and she didn't have insurance. We don't normally buy insurance, and it's very expensive to fix the Apple Watch, so I just bought a new one. It's better to just buy a new one. So I got the new Apple Watch too. But here's the purple. Over video, it just looks so different than it does me looking through my naked eye. It really looks purple. Like I'm looking through the viewfinder and it kind of looks blue to me. But then it definitely looks purple right there with that wallpaper. But this is definitely, the naked eye, it's extremely purple. It's really nice, Thanos type. You know what I mean? I think it just looks cool. I might grab me a 12. I'm not sure yet. I don't know why I would do it. Again, I have I have the graphite. And I actually, like I said, I think I said it already, I got rid of my 12 white. So I might do it. I'm not sure. Because, these are, the only reason I buy a lot of iPhones is because I can sell them back at full cost pretty much. I was talking about that in my my Discord group about how people are buying the Apple iPhones at full cost or above on Swap. I'm like, why are you doing that? You know what I mean? But hey, here's the purple. It's nice. It looks really good. Again, I should probably change some settings on the camera, but it definitely looks sweet, and it looks like kind of a powder blue when I look through the lens, but it's definitely purple, and it looks really, really good. And I forgot how small the iPhone mini was. I forgot how small. The 12 to me is the best well-rounded one to purchase if you have big hands like me. But if you have small hands, then definitely grab you a 256 gig unlocked or carrier locked if that's what you have to do. Get you a 256 gig and you'll be on at that point. So here it is, the purple iPhone 12.